In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your way through using Google with an easy and practical example. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. First, we're going to start at Clipchamp. So open up your favorite web browser and in the address bar, type in the Clipchamp URL. Clipchamp is a fantastic tool that makes video editing simple and accessible, no matter your level of experience. Whether you're a seasoned editor or just getting started, Clipchamp can be your go-to resource. Once you're on Clipchamp's website, familiarize yourself with the interface. It's always a good idea to get a handle on where everything is located and how to navigate around the website smoothly. Now that you're on Clipchamp and ready to dive into your media, let's move on. Navigate to your media library. This is where all the magic starts. You'll find all your uploaded videos and assets waiting to be turned into something amazing. Look for the Export button and give it a click. This step is crucial because it prepares your video for its final form. When you click Export, you're essentially telling Clipchamp that you're ready to show your masterpiece to the world. Once you hit Export, you'll be prompted to choose the quality of your video. Now, the quality you choose depends on where you intend to use or share your video. If you're aiming for social media, a standard quality might suffice. But if it's meant for a presentation or something high profile, go for the highest quality offered. After selecting the desired quality, this process saves your video onto your device, making it ready for upload or further distribution. And just like that, you're done. Clipchamp will finalize the export process and your video will be saved. You now have a fully edited, high-quality video ready for whatever you planned. Throughout this entire process, I recommend making mental notes of each action. It's helpful for future projects, ensuring familiarity with the steps needed to create and export videos with ease. Additionally, don't hesitate to explore additional features Clipchamp offers. You may stumble upon tools or tricks that can elevate your videos even further. Remember, video editing is both an art and a skill that improves with practice. So take these steps, use them, refine them, and soon enough, you'll be creating incredible content efficiently. I hope this guide has been straightforward and useful in helping you navigate Clipchamp through Google. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, happy editing.